Hello. Yeah, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to create a parametric family versions. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to make sure that which version of Revit we have to use for the family creation. Okay, so right now we are going to create family on the Revit 2020. Okay, so for that we have to open it from the desktop or else from here, from this Autodesk Revit. You can just type Revit 2020, so you will get that one. So just click on that one, so the Revit will be open. So from here we can open or create new family. So right now we are going to create a new family, so we are clicking new. Okay, this window pop-up came, so we have to choose which template we have to use. So here in the C drive you will be going through this folders, you will be seeing some templates. So in this family template there is different types of templates we are available. Right now we are working for a US project, so we are going to create this template in Imperial system. So I have to select this Imperial. Then there will be a lot of options will be there, like hosted objects will be there, non-hosted objects will be there. Make sure which type of family you are going to create. Right now I'm going to create a family which does not require any host or any medium to place. So that's why I'm going to create a family based on generic model. So we have to select this one and we have to click open. Yeah, that's open. So basically it is having reference planes. So what we have to do is we have to create reference planes first, then we have to create the geometries. So that's how we are going to link the this parametric features. So click on the reference plane, click on the pick lines. So here we can provide some value, so an offset value from here it will be showing. So right now I'm going to provide 10 inches. So yeah, on the left, right, left, right, top, bottom, we are providing this one. Then we will be creating an annotative parameter. See this one, a dimension, from align the dimension from here to here, and I will be equalizing that one. Why? Because if I move one object to the left, equalizing, then it will be stretching from the origin point, will be from center, it will be stretched to the left as well as right. So like from here to here I will be creating this one, I will be creating an equalization. Okay, so after this we will be creating a dimension from both the ends. Then we have to select this one, we have to provide a parameter here. See here in label we have to click on this one, so it will create a parameter. So here we can provide, here you can see multiple options. Let's say we are going to provide a parameter, family parameter. I will differentiate what is family parameter, what is shared parameter in the later session. First let's provide the name. I'm going to provide a parameter named width by W. Okay, so its dimensions, it will be coming under dimensions. So we will talk later about this, what is this one. So it's a length parameter. Okay, so we have provided width, and here we have to provide one more parameter. So in annotate we are providing this one also. So select this one, select here, provide a new parameter named uh, length, so L. Okay, so it's, we have provided parameters. Let's check how this whether it is working fine or not. So click on this one, this one is the family edit types. So click on this one, just change the parameter value. So I am going to provide 010 and just apply. Yeah, it's working fine. 010, yeah, that one is also working fine. Okay, just click OK. Then we will be looking into the elevation. So in front, make sure that you are placing the things from here. Here you don't need to equalize. Why? Because you will be placing on a floor or any medium. So if your type is changing, height have to change. We don't need any equal spacing. That's why I'm going to create an annotative reference plane. So click this one. Here also I'm going to provide a 10 inch. Okay, in the top I'm going to provide. So in annotative align, I'm providing a dimension. I'm going to provide a new parameter name H. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's working fine. Then now we are going to talk about the geometries. There are some geometrical options like extrusions, void, sweep, that kind of things are there. Right now we are going to do an extrusion. Just click on this one. There will be multiple options like lines, rectangles, polylines, and circle, that kind of things you can find here. So we are going to select this rectangle and we are placing that here. I'm not aligning that one. After that I will show how to align and lock. So click on this one and use your align tool AL, or else you can choose that from here. See this one, shortcut is AL. So click on this one, click this external reference plane and click on this one, lock. Make sure to lock, then only the geometry will change according to the parameters. Okay, see here. So tick mark. I will just show how this parameter is working. So we have provided a parameter named length, right? So I am going to change that to 1 feet. See, the geometry is changing. Okay, the same way in height also we have to change. So front view, align, yeah, lock. Okay, cool. Now it's working fine. I'll just show you height also. I'm going to change to um, let's say I'm going to change that to 12 feet. Yeah, it's working perfect. Okay, so we have provided shared parameters, parametric families. Okay, so let's, after creating a family we have to load into a project. So make sure I'm taking this mechanical template. We can take the template of our choice. Right now I'm going to take a mechanical template, so you can directly load it from here. I recommend you to save this family. Okay, documents, I'm going to save this as sample family. If you are creating a family from a submittal, make sure to provide the name of the model number or as per the BIM standard. Okay, then for the project you can load the family in different ways. Sometimes some catalog families will be there, so for that cases we have to load it from insert, load family. From the documents you can load this one. Okay, so using C and M, components placement, or insert, load, just systems, place a component you can place, or CM you can place. So right now we are going to place this one. See, this one is in it's in shade out. Why? Because this family is a generic model, that's why we are going to change that to our category. Right now we are considering this as a fan coil unit, so mechanical equipment will be fine. Okay, then we will load it again to the project. See, now it have changed, right? Like this we can change the category. Why? What is the reason behind changing the category is that in the visibility graphics you can control that family from mechanical equipment. If you are hunting this one, that will be control. Okay, got it? Okay, so we talked about these things. Now we have to provide a tag. Let's say we can associate some parameters. We will talk about the parameters. So basically families are of family, project families and system families. Project families means one which you are loading to a project, and system families, let's say this one project. In this one, in the family groups you can see some systems, piping systems, ducting systems, like that kind of things. See, this are called system families. In which we can create systems, different services we can create. What is family? The other families which are loading into project is called project families. So in that one also there are some different categories of families are there. So when we create a new parameter, we are seeing a term called shared parameter and a family parameter. The difference between shared parameter and family parameter is that shared parameters can be transferred between multiple projects. So if you are creating a standard, like say we have standards like ppm and eco, right? So for the different eco projects we can create a shared parameter and we can transfer the parameters in between. So we are working with the ppm, then we can use right now I will show you how to create a shared parameter. And let's say if we are going to take any schedules or something, then make sure that you are creating the parameters on shared parameter. So click on the shared parameter, select. So there is no shared parameters found, so they are asking where we have to create. So let's say yeah, we have to create, so we are going to create that one. I'm going to create my shared parameter on the documents. Yeah, by default it came. So echo, so let's say we are going to create a shared parameter for the ppm project. So ppm echo, it's just ppm shared parameter, it's just for our understanding. Or if you want to transfer this parameter, you can share this one. So provide yes, there will be grouping options will be there. So click on this group. Let's say we are going to create a mechanical equipment based design, so I am going to provide mechanical equipment. Or else if you are dealing with the sheets or something, arranging the sheets or something, you can use that one. That I will be creating a separate video on that one, so you can watch that for that things, how to arrange the sheets, how to arrange views, that kind of things. Okay, mechanical equipment. Equipment, you can edit that one if there is any spelling mistakes or something, then you can create a parameter under that one. Right now I'm going to provide a text parameter. I need to have an identification. Okay, let's say model number will be default, but it will be there. Let's say we can provide a tag or something. Okay, okay, so okay, so okay, click on this one. Here in manage project parameters, add, click on shared parameter, click on this tag, select mechanical equipment from here. Okay, click OK, click OK. So now in the properties window you can see that shared parameter here. See in the text tag parameter came. So I'm going to provide a name, let's say ppm aqp1. I need this tag here. For that one we have to edit this annotation family. Just edit this one, just click on the edit window, a label will come, just remove this one. See this one. Let's say here we are going to create a new parameter, family parameter, shared parameter. We have covered this session, and this one is the type and instance. So don't get confused with these things. So system families, project families. You understood the difference, right? And family parameter, shared parameter. Then type and instance. Okay. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Have a nice day.